It's fucking thundering and lightning. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Whoa, that was bright. Yeah, so it's like midnight right now, and so it's past the time that Joseph Martelli said that his bus was leaving. So any video he uploads after now should be him on a fucking bus, unless he's fucking lying about it. But whoa, geez, that's pretty fucking bright. Anyways, I just wish he would just put all the stuff behind him, you know? Forget about it, you know? Water under the fridge, you know? So, whatever, you know? Whoa, holy shit. Pretty fucking bright when it flashes like that. I was hoping it would rain. I was hoping it would thunder and lightning. Pretty fucking cool. Anyways, bye.